Good morning everyone, and for today's eye look we are going to try the Big City Shadow Sense collection. This is one I'm really excited about because the burgundy is one shade I've been looking for so long. It's a matte shade, so it came with three colors, one glitter, one shimmer and one matte shade. So this collection is perfect if you have to put together a look. So as I said, burgundy is the matte shade here, and the second one is brown stone shimmer, so it's like a grayish brown kind of, and then we have the bright lights glitter, so it's similar to the rose gold glitter we have. So let's go ahead and do the eye look first. I have already done my eyebrows with rustic brown, and I have done color corrected my veins using natural tan. So those are the steps I already finished. So I'm going to use the moonstone shimmer as my crease color for today. So I'm going to apply it on my crease, and then I'm going to blend it with the brush. I have told many times that I have a hooded eye, so I always like to take it a little bit above my natural crease. If I do it in my crease, you won't see the color at all, so I like to do it a little bit higher. So that's my crease color. Now I'm going to take the same brownstone shimmer and run it along my lower lashes. So let's take burgundy next, and let's do it on the outer corner first. So I'm going to just put a few dots here, and then we can just spread it all over. So with the shadow sense, always make sure you take a tiny bit, and then you can build along the color you need. That way it blends really well. When you pat it, you get the pigment you need, and then you can blend them to make it look really nice. Always go back and use the brush that you have used the previous shades. For example, here I'm taking the brush that I have used for moonstone shimmer. I don't have any colors as such, but always just blend out the edges where these two meet. That way you won't have any harsh edges, and these two will look really blended well. The last one is the bright light shimmer glitter. So whenever it comes to glitter, the fun way is to take it in your hands or somewhere, and that way you get like the glitter particles alone. So I'm going to take my brush. This is a blending palette from Senegen, so these sheets will not absorb the color at all, so that makes it easy, and you can pretty much use it. So I'm going to take my fingers and just going to swipe it along. That way you get the colors alone, and I'm going to place it in my inner eye actually. This is really close to our rose gold glitter. This is little more, what to say, like peachy than the rose gold. So that way you get the glitters, at the same time you won't have much fallout on that, and you can build how much ever you need. You can use the same brush you have used and just take a tiny bit of it and connect the inner parts too. That way you will have a little bit of glitter on the lower edge too. I'm going to use the black brown pencil on my lower lash line, and I will use the black liner on top to finish the look, and then let's finish it with mascara. So here is my finished look with the Big City collection. So I have used all three shades, the moonstone shimmer as my crease color, and the burgundy as my outer layer, and I have used the bright light shimmer in my inner corners, and I finished off with the black liner on top, and I have used the black brown pencil in my waterline to smoke out, and I have used the non-waterproof along with the 3-in-1 lash primer, and I have used the Big City collection lip sense to for my lips. So that's the look I went for today. Hope you have enjoyed it. Wonderful day. See you all soon in a new content.